In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Etsy, a crucial skill for any beginner seller on the platform. Whether it's due to stock issues or a change in availability, knowing how to efficiently handle order cancellations can help maintain a healthy relationship with your customers and keep your shop running smoothly. So let's dive right into the process and learn how to manage these cancellations step by step. To start, you'll need to log into your Etsy account on your browser or the Etsy app. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Orders and Shipping section. This is your hub for managing all your orders, both completed and current. Here, you'll see a list of all the transactions you've made. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section, as it's essential for managing customer interactions. Next, go through the list of orders to find the one you want to cancel. This might be due to a variety of reasons. Perhaps the item is no longer in stock, or there might have been a mistake in the order details. Whatever the reason may be, once you've identified the correct order, click on it to open the Order Details page. On the Order Details page, you'll find various options related to managing that specific order. Look for the option that says Cancel Order. It's usually prominently placed to the side or bottom of your order management options. Clicking this will prompt the cancellation process. But remember, this isn't the end just yet. After choosing to cancel the order, Etsy will request confirmation. At this stage, it's essential to ensure that your reason for cancellation aligns with Etsy's cancellation policy. Etsy has specific guidelines about when a cancellation is appropriate, usually revolving around mutual agreement between buyer and seller or other acceptable scenarios like accidental purchases or stock issues. Confirming that your situation fits these guidelines is crucial. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the cancellation. Now, taking the time to communicate with your customer about the cancellation is a wise step. Reaching out with an apology or explanation can help mitigate any disappointment or confusion they may have, and even prevent negative feedback. Remember, customer service plays a huge role in maintaining a positive reputation for your shop. With the cancellation confirmed, you'll want to double-check that the order is indeed marked as canceled in your Orders and Shipping section. This ensures that your records are up to date and you won't accidentally fulfill an already canceled order. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to canceling an order on Etsy. By following these steps, you'll not only handle cancellations efficiently, but also help build trust with your customers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Etsy tutorials for more tips on managing your shop effectively.